Y'all being weird?
Yeah.
Ooh. I like it when the teacher gets weird. What?
I don't have a thermometer.
Well, if you lick your finger and stick it in your... I mean, what?
That'd be the truth.
That'd be your ambient temperature.
So do 85 minus 62. 23? 24?
Ooh.
We're pretty good now. Is it going to be 18 or 21?
That should feel good.
So with those three, you
It
already
does.
kind of know that you're charged correctly. What? Now let's get our sub-cooling super heat.
Yeah, it's like in there. Might take me.
Wow.